Hey, Angela, can you make me some coffee, please?
Yes.
Okay. Come here. Come here. You sneaky little thing. You went all the way around. Okay, open the cabinet and get the cups and the coffee out. Angela, open the cabinet right there. Get the cups
Okay.
and the coffee.
Go.
Okay, you got the cups. Do you need help?
Yeah.
All right, come here, let me help. Okay, and pull out the cup. Thank you.
Here.
You need the coffee.
Huh?
Get the coffee out.
Okay.
Can you reach it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, good job. All right, turn on the coffee machine. Yes.
Oh. Oops. There.
There you go. You got it.
Here.
Okay, get the chair.
Okay. Oh, I got it.
You got it? Come on. You have to watch what you're doing.
What's you doing?
That's right. Watch what you're doing. You're looking at yourself in the stove.
Wow.
Wow. Listen to that noise.
That's a good.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
Great job.
Wow.
Whoa, be careful.
No.
Be careful.
Here.
Okay, you have the, yep, you put the cup there.
Oh.
You have to take the old coffee out and put the new coffee in, right?
Oh.
Need help? There you go.
Oh no.
Okay, close it up. Now, Mommy's going to do this part, okay?
Water.
I'm going to put the water in. Mommy's going to put the water in. You want to see?
Yeah.
Okay. You can watch me put in the water. Wait.
There.
I wasn't finished.
Here.
Okay, put the cup under there. Wait, let me look at the water level. All right, now close it up.
Okay. Okay now.
Good job. Okay, push the button.
There.
You did it.
Mommy put in the trash. There.
That's right. You put the old one in the trash. All right. High five. That was awesome.
Ha. Ha, ha, ha.
You did. Now where are you going? Okay, I guess you figure your job here is done.
Done.
All done?
Yes. All done.
Okay. I'll take it from here. Once it's ready, then I can season it like I like it.
I see that and I like it. You see it.
You did good.
Yeah.
You remembered all the steps.
You made it in a step.
Yeah, you did very good.
You all done.
A+ for Angela.
All done.
Okay, all done.